Yesterday I drawn one outline diagram to you where employee is holding the object of contact, I said. Okay, right. Demo reference application 1, where I have contact and where I have employee. Yesterday you understood anyway. For this, I am drawing one object form. One object form where mail ID available, where phone number available, mail ID is equal to null, default value, phone number is equal to 0, default value. Then we had a contact, employee. We had employee. Whenever we have employee here, employee, where we have one object, zero x33. What employee has now? One ID. One ID is there. What is the ID default value? Null. String means null will come. Not only string, non-primitive data type variables null. So name null. Name null. Designation null. Designation null. Now look here. First here null value will come. What is the default value of OB now? Null. Sir, why null? OB declared by the type contact. Contact comes under class category. Class comes under non-primitive. Non-primitive default value is null. So because of this reason, string is null actually. Now OB will become null first. First OB will get null. Here contact OB is equal to null. After this one, while object creation, that constructor is executed. This constructor is executed. When this constructor is executed, C will be taken as a parameter. New employee of C. C is taken as a parameter. C means address, no? 0x22. So what happened now? The constructor will take that C and load it onto OB. Means null value replaced with address. What is the address now? 0x22. That only concept. All of you understood this? OB is holding the address of contact. Now to display that, we had one toString method here. We written one toString method to display the data. Return type of toString method is string, and it is toString method like this. All of you understood this, right? Now whenever I want to load the data, yesterday I am reading in this format. So the data is updated here. We are loading onto object, some A121. Now loading the data onto name. Always I'll write Raj, no? Designation is SC. Up to here you're clear, right? Okay. Now whenever I want to load the data to mail ID, what happened now? Mail ID belongs to OB. OB belongs to E. Means the control will come to E. From E, the control will come to OB. This is OB, no? Right. From this OB, the data is updated here. The data is updated here now, right? Using this address location, the data is updated there. Here, mail ID or at the rate of. So using this employee object, you are accessing the object of contact. That only concept. Now, the control will come here. From here, the control will go here. It is updated. 989898. Now using employee object, we are accessing the object of contact. That only references. All of you understood this? Yes or no? Right. Yesterday you got the information already, but even then, one object holding reference of another object. The concept we call it as a references concept. Advantage, the method what is available in the address. Sorry, the method what is available in the employee. It can access the members of contact now. It can display by using this OB or not now. ToString method using this OB, it can access mail ID, it can access phone number. So the method of one object can access the members of another object. Simply we can say references concept is nothing but interlinking of objects. Two objects are linked or not now, and the relation name is known as a relation. What is the relation name now? As a relation. As a means one object as a reference of another object. So this relation name is what now? As a relation or interlinking of objects, or you can say references. In interview, they'll ask a question. What is the difference between as a and is a? Question is there. As a means one object as a reference of another object. That is known as a relation. By terminology, we call it as what now? References or interlinking of objects. Object oriented programmer not only creates object, he can link the objects. All of you understood this concept now, right? Okay. Now, anyway, I redrawn. Okay. Now, after this diagram, pasting there orally in your document. Now, yesterday's assignment is there, no, this one, right? This assignment, I will take it. This assignment solution, I will take it. Yesterday, printing single record. Now, I am printing multiple records. Multiple means multiple details. Here, I am creating only one object, yesterday's program. This object is multiple objects. Multiple employee objects. Each employee object, one contact object is there. Okay, right. See there. I am writing the program for today. References application 2. I am writing references application 2. References application 2. I am taking. Package test. Under this, the same two programs will be common. Contact and employee. The two classes will be common. Employee and contact. Common. Right. Now see there. I am going for main class. Demo. Reference 2 I am taking. Import test dot star. Import java dot util. Here. Now the program is combination of arrays and references. Understood this point now? Arrays and references. Scanner S is equal to new scanner of system dot in S dot close. Now system dot out dot print ln. Enter the number of employees with the contact anyway, number of employees. I'll say int n is equal to s dot next int. Here employee name also available now. Employee ID is available now. combination of numeric and string is coming. So you must use what now? Integer dot parse. Now system dot out dot print ln here. Enter n employee details and employee details. For int I is equal to 0, I less than, where is array? I must take employee, if not OB, equal to new employee. I am creating employee array only. I am creating what array now? Employee array. Observe it. Sir, I am creating employee array. If n is equal to 3, 3 employees. You know that concept already. This is array. This is one array. Okay, right. Now see there. For int I is equal to 0, I less than OB dot length I plus plus. One loop I am writing. End of loop. Here. System dot out dot println employee I plus 1 means employee 1. Employee 1 details. Just for common purpose I am writing. Employee 1 details. If I say 3 times it comes no. Employee 1 details, employee 2 details, employee 3 details. The loop is running 3 times or not now, right? That one, this one I plus 1. Now, here read it. System dot, sorry. You have to create array. See there, OB dot OB of I is equal to, look here. Actually, we must write like this. Contact C is equal to new contact. Employee is equal to new employee of C. Then I must add E here. All of you understood this? See there. Contact object, employee object. I am adding to array. All of you understood this? contact object, employee object means this one. Contact object, employee object, adding to E. Means two objects created here. Contact object created, no? Just now I drawn, no? Right. Contact object, mail ID is equal to null, phone number is equal to 0. Now, employee object 0x33, where ID is equal to null, name is equal to null, designation is equal to null, and here contact OB. Achha, internally OB is there. OB is equal to 0x22. Yes or no? Right. Now, here toString method is there to display. Now you are adding that to 0x33 here. That is added here. Now you understood? Yes or no? Louder. Sound not coming. Understood? Right. Because array holding employee, employee holding contact. Imagination is coming, no? Right. It has to come. Now, this one we can write like this. Here, new employee means E, no? Okay, right. Now, C means new contact, no? Right. You can write that new contact inside. I can write new contact because C means new contact only, no? Okay. I can write inside. Here, E means new employee, no? I can write that new employee directly here. That only logic. All in a single line. So OB1 means OB of 0. I'll change the name because same name is there, no? Now A of 0 is equal to new employee of new contact. New contact means this object created. New contact means this object created. New contact. New employee of new contact. New employee of new contact means this object created holding contact. Holding contact. Now this address is available here. That's the point. What is the name of this object? Not there. What is the name of this object? Not there. Yes or no? No. Right. But address is available on the array. Not only syntax. To say that only I give an assignment. Actually, I want to say that point today because I give an assignment yesterday. It is a mandatory. Somewhere single object not there for us. Object-oriented program, objects will be linked. Not only single object, many objects. If we come to Advanced Java chapter number 2, almost 4 or 5 objects, they will be linked to one object. Menu to one, all will be linked to one object. Because of this reason, many students will not understand Advanced Java. Many students will not understand. You take feedback from your anybody. Advanced Java means fear will be there. Not fear. Concept this only. The student, because of not proper working, because of not proper analysis, not because of proper hard work, he will not understand. If you analyze something correctly, if you work more, you will understand. Human being, no. If you don't understand, who will understand that? We only should understand why Advanced Java very feared means they will not try. Roughly, if we try, not possible. Suppose one concept is running today. See that concept. One array holding reference of employee, employee holding the reference of a contact. You never see this concept in C language. Always you will by heart what? Armstrong number, Fibonacci series, format, that only will be there. You will be busy in by hearting it. Concept not there, no. Why means, why concept not there means project not there for them. Why project not there? Web browser interaction is not there. They do not have any web browser interaction. They do not have any server. They do not have interaction with databases. Where comes the project for them? For us, definitely interlinking is there. If we take one banking sector, account section will be there. In account section, what is there? Account number will be there. Account number linked to your name will be there. Name linked to your phone number will be there. Phone number linked to your mail ID will be there. Generally, whenever I want to check you, I'll send one OTP and check it. If I want to check you, I'll send one OTP to mail ID, I'll check it. From there, addresses are linked, loan sections are linked, transactions are linked, total will be linked from one object. Who is a centralized object? Account is a centralized object. Like this, in many locations, one object will hold reference of another object. I cannot write that kind of logic here immediately, no. First, I must take a small one, what we know. Daily we are working, no. Product we are working daily. Employee will work it. Student, because where student can understand. When the case study comes, that kind of concept will come. So today my intention of day 2 of references concept is array holding reference of one object, the object holding the reference of another object. Student, direct imagination may not come. I felt it. So first one I draw the diagram. One object holding reference. Now that employee objects I am keeping on your array, I am keeping that only. The first object added. All of understood this now? The first object added. Now it is repeated. If it is repeated, what happened now? Sir, this object pairs will come. If you repeat it, this object pairs will be coming out. Whatever this is there, this object pairs will be coming out. If I repeat it, one more object pair will come now. One more object pair will come. In this object pair, what is available now? Sir, some other address. Maybe this one 44 will be there. Maybe this one 55 will be there, roughly. Now, it holds the employee object now. Now, 0x55. I am organizing employee object, but employee object is holding contact object. It's like a pairs or not. Understood now? If I repeat the loop for 3 times, 3 pairs will come. 3 pairs means what? One object hold reference of another object. References, interlinking of objects. The objects are in as a relation. The objects are in as a relation. One object has reference of another object. Now anyway, first pair came now. Yes sir, first pair came. Load the data. System dot out dot println. Enter the ID. I'm entering the ID or not now? ID belongs to what now? A of I dot. A of I means address is available or not now? This address, the first address available. A of I means, A means, here A na. I modified this to A. A of I is equal to 0. A of 0 means 0x33. A of 0x33. A of 0 means 0x33 dot ID. Dot ID is equal to S dot next line. I am loading data onto ID. ID belongs to A of 0. It's a concept. This is repeated. Name is there. Name is there. Here A of ID dot name. Here designation is there. A of I dot designation. Here, enter the mail ID. How will enter mail ID? A of I dot OB dot mail ID. Phone number. A of I dot OB dot PH number is equal to long, no? Long dot parse long. Sir, why you are converting? Why I am converting means in the loop repetition, again string will come here or not now? For that I am converting. Now the data is added to first pair. The data is added to first pair. Then repeat it I plus plus. I will become 1, no? A of 1. Second pair is created. Second pair is created. Add the data for second pair. Then I plus plus third pair is created. Add the data for third pair. Now here, display the data. System dot out dot print and then display employee details. Extended for is there, no? For end of loop. What kind of data now? Employee data colon. Colon A. A is the array name. Now system dot out dot print and then A dot toString method is there, no? So toString method is used to display the data from your objects. That may be string objects, that may be wrapper class objects, that may be user defined. See there I am running. Enter the number of employees. 3 I am taking. 3 employees. Employee 1 details. A121. Name some Raj. Designation SE. r@gmail.com. Phone number 9898981234. Employee A001 and name is some Ram. Designation T. Mail ID again rm@gmail.com. 7878781234. Employee 3 now. So A890. Employee is Alex. Now designation maintenance engineer. Mail ID is a@gmail.com. And phone number is 6767671234. Answer is coming or not? It's like a object page. So yesterday's program is a single record. Today it is a multiple records. But how you took multiple records now? Sir, employee object separate, contact object separate. Understood now? Contact object separate. Understood this? Right. But internally there is a link between the two objects. Hope you understood, I think. Right. I'll add this output. Output also looking like a program only. So here, example, not example, directly solution only, no. Yesterday's program only, contact.java. employee.java, demo reference to.java. This is one main class and followed by one output. This is output. Here .com not there. Right here, I'll paste the diagram first. Here, I'll paste the diagram. Whatever the diagram I drawn, I'll paste it. So educating you, there are two pairs available. All of you understood the concept, right? Can you do the assignment for tomorrow? Same program, but take one address class. Employee has one address. Employee has one salary. So how many classes you have to link it now? Already contact link could know. Link address class, house number, street name, city, pin code. Separate class you link it. And one more is salary. One more class will link it as what now? Salary. Like this, employee class will hold three objects. One is contact, one is address, one is salary. Already contact link could know. Right. Link the remaining two objects. Same. In array, you must print it. I want multiple records. Understood the question? Right. Okay. Now update assignment. All are working at home now. How many of you are working on the daily basis? Raise your hands. Right. Daily means what? Before coming to the class, practicing and coming. At home, all are doing the same, I think. If it is no, also say yes only. Yes only no. Right. Yes only no. Wow. Sir, we are practicing, sir. And before the class, we are coming, sir. We are not wasting any time, sir. On that day, work not completed means we are not eating also, sir. Anybody is there? Right. Okay. Afternoon, I not opened any books, sir. Anybody is there? Some people will be there. I am coming and going, sir. What is happening? I don't know, sir. My friend is coming. I am coming, sir. After that, suddenly my friend will call, sir. I skip the class. Again, I'll come, sir, because I'll get bored. 2 days sitting at home getting bored. I'll come today only. Suddenly, yesterday rain, no, sir. If I am really interested, I can buy one umbrella and come. A matter of 120 rupees. If not, I can put one auto and come. If it is interested, is there. But even then, I did not came, sir. Suddenly, I came today, sir. Something is happening, sir. I am observing, sir. I'll try, sir. Some people will be there. Right? I don't know who is there. I don't know, but overall, I am saying it. Okay, right. Anyway, update above application with the following classes. Update above application with the following classes. So what are the classes you have to take now? One is address. In that address, I want house number, street name, city, and pin code. And one more is salary. Here only two, basic salary and total salary. Already there, this program's already, but concept is interlinking. Already two classes are there. You update with two more classes and change the constructor. That idea is coming or not, you have to cross check it. Okay, right. Again, I want multiple records only. How the answer should come now? Sir, ID, name, designation, mail ID, house number, street name, city, pin code, basic salary, total salary. It's like a record. Complete. When you come to advanced Java, we break that into 4 tables. We break it. Advanced Java, we link all the tables with one ID. That only primary key, no? Understood? We break. That only your vernacular practice, that only 4 tables will be there. 4 classes, 4 tables. All that 4 tables are linked with one primary key ID. PLSQL is there no procedures. Through procedures, they'll update 4 tables at a time. We run the procedure with JDBC. JDBC is integrated to server program. Server program will take the data from HTML form. HTML trainer is waiting, no? He will give a form to us. This is actual process. That is actual process. So that much of front-end development is there. Now you have to learn that integrations in the background. So practice that. Hope you understood. Right. Note. NOT note. So other name for references concept is as a relation. Remember the statement for interview. As a relation. Make it. References concept is also known as a relation, because one object as a reference of another object, because one object as a reference of another object. Other name for references is object interlinking process. References is also known as object interlinking process, linking the objects. References concept is also known as object interlinking process. You can say object interlinking process, you can say. Got it right? So try this assignment by tomorrow and come anyway. So meanwhile, we are entering into next concept known as star mark IMP, inheritance in Java. Look here. General inheritance meaning is the process of extracting the features from parent to child is known as inheritance process. General meaning, we take features from our parents. Extracting means all features may not come, some we take it. That's the meaning actually. So general meaning, the process of extracting the features from parent to child is known as inheritance process. This is general meaning. General we speak it, no? Inheritance means child will take features from parent. So according to our language, right? The process of interlinking two classes with extends keyword. In Java, the process of interlinking two classes with extends keyword is known as inheritance process. Make it. The process of, just now you interlinked the objects. Now you are interlinking what now? Classes. You are trying classes. The process of interlinking classes with extends keyword is known as inheritance process. Is known as inheritance process. The process of interlinking classes with extends keyword is known as inheritance process. Sir, according to Java language, I don't know other languages. I'm speaking about Java language. I will link two classes with extends. Okay, right. Diagrammatical presentation. When you go for interview, you must show on the paper now what is inheritance. So if they asked, draw like this. If anybody asked what is inheritance, draw like this and show it. Sir, I will take one class here. The class A, I will take it roughly. I'll take one more class here. The class I will take it as B. B. This class to this class, we are establishing one link. What is the name of this link now? Extends. Now, by terminology, this is parent, because parent members only will come to child now, right? So this one, we call it as parent class, we say, or you can say super class, you can say, or you can say base class, you can say. Any one term you can use it. Parent class or super class or base class. This one by terminology we say child class, we say. Whenever you say super class, we say subclass here, followed by you can say derived class like this. Now parent members will come to child. Child members will come to parent. Parent members will come to the child. Always when you are walking on your colony or anywhere, they'll say the child is walking like his parents, or he appears like his parents, they'll say. Nobody will say you are looking like your son. So no parent will take the features of child. Some students will ask, why sir? Why features not coming from child to parent? Inheritance meaning that only, no? So inheritance, why the author given that name? You will ask that question only, you given the name. Why given inheritance? Parent to child only. Here, extends means A to B, not B to A. Understood this point now? Whenever the members are coming from A to B, I can put the arrow down. That arrow indicates flow diagram. Flow. Flow means parent members are available to child. That's the meaning. So this is a diagrammatical form. Clear, right? Now, when the parent members are available to child, Sir, for whom we are creating object? We are creating object for child. We are creating object for whom now? Child. Make a statements like this. Before, after that diagram, you write syntax. Syntax means programmatically how I should construct in my program, sir. You take class A. This is parent class body. Class B extends from A. This is child class body. All have understood the syntax? Now, in inheritance process, we always create object for child. Make a statement. In inheritance process, we always create object for child class. In inheritance process, we always create object. Object means memory, storage indirectly. We create memory for child. We create storage for child. In inheritance process, we always create object for child class. So child class is B. B, OB is equal to new B. We are creating object for B. Right, write like this and keep a box. Okay. Now look here. Now to demonstrate this, I'll take one example program. First, I'll deal about case 1, blocks and methods from the parent class or super class. If I have some blocks in parent class, what happens? If I have some methods in parent class, what happens? Because you are creating object for child, no? You are creating object for child, parent, child. If I create object for child, what about the parent blocks? What about the parent methods? I want to know, sir. First, I am dealing about blocks and methods. After that, constructors I'll delete. What's my target? Now look here. Observe carefully while I am typing. Part by part, I'll type and come. Okay, right. Now, I will take one class, parent class, I will take it. P class, I'll take. I'll take one class as C class, I will take it. extends. Now, I am taking one static block here. I'll take one static block here. I'll take one static block here. There one static block and here one static block. There one static block, here one static block. Have understood this? Right. Okay. Now I am taking inheritance application 1. I am taking. Inheritance application 1. M axis. Here, I'll take one class as parent class. I'll take one class as a child class. Now, parent class has one static block. Message. Parent class static block. Child class extends from parent class. Here also child class static block. Now, one block in parent and one block in child. All of it clear? Right. Okay. Now I am creating object. Go for main class. Demo inheritance 1. Demo inheritance 1. Import test dot star. I am creating inheritance means object creation for child. Okay, right. So what is the child class now? Same class OB is equal to new child class. Now to create this object, to create that object, your execution engine will refer parent first. It is going to check the parent. Why means extends keyword is there. Okay, right. It refers the parent first, then it refers the child. Because of this reason, the answer will be parent class static block. Then what happened now? Child class static block. While object creation, it refers the parent, then it refers the child. So because parent class static block, then child class static block. So two static blocks are there means parent class static block executed first. That's the meaning. Okay, right. Now I'll take one instance block here. I'll take one instance block. I will take it. Here one instance block. Here one instance block I am taking. I am taking one instance block. Now, here one instance block. System dot out dot print ln parent class instance block. The same thing I'll keep in the child. Now child class instance block. Now while object creation, always parent first, then child. So parent class instance block first must come first. See there, parent class instance block. Then means what? Always parent first coming or not now? In inheritance process, we are referring parent. While object creation, we are taking the parent members first. That's the meaning of it. Now, I'll take one static method there. I'll take one static method here. Static method means class level. In the class only, the memory will come no. Yes or no? Na? Void M1. This is one static method. One static. Now I'll take one static method here. I'll take one static method. Void M2, I'll take it. Static. Statics are available in the classes. Access with the class names generally. Now, I am taking one static method in the parent. Sir public static void M1 I am taking. System dot out dot print ln. Parent class static method M1. Then child class static method M2. One method there, one method here. Whenever I want to access, if I want to access parent class, I can say parent class dot M1, I can say. If I want to access child class dot M2, I can say answer will come. M1. This is M2, no? M1 and M2. So here, one static method in the parent, one static method in the child. Through extends keyword, this static method is available here. This static method is available here through extends. Sir, how can we know it is available? Means child can access the method of parent. Understood? Through extends means what? Child class dot M1. We can write. So child has access to parent method. I am writing child class dot M1 no. Because of extends keyword. Because of extends keyword, we can access the static methods of parent with the child class name. Answer is coming or not now, right? Finally, static methods of parent available to child through extends keyword and can be accessed with the child class name. Only concept. Sir, what about instance methods? I'll take one, show one instance method show, roughly. One instance method. Show two. One instance. Both are instance methods. The memories are not available in the classes. Static blocks also same, no, memories are not available in the classes. Now I am taking, so public void show one system dot out dot print ln parent class instance method show 1. In the child class, now instance methods are accessed with object names. So only one object is there. That object is child class object or parent class object? Child class object. OB dot show 1. OB dot show 2. So finally, this is the answer. So blocks and methods available now. Static block, instance block, static method, instance method. What is not there means constructor not there. And variable not there. I can take variables easily, no? Right, okay. So this is the order. Now information through this is parent members are available to child. Here this diagram. Example, parent class dot Java, child class dot Java, demo, inheritance 1 dot Java. This is one main class and one output. Parent class static block, child class static block, parent class instance block, child class instance block, parent class static method, child class static method, parent class instance method, child class instance method. So finally, parent members are available to child. This is introductory. Theoretically understood, right? I must draw the diagram, but I'll draw the diagram tomorrow. This is normal analysis, it takes time, right? 20-25 minutes, it takes time. Means we show that object to you. Only one object created, holding the members of parent and child. That I'm going to show it. References and inheritance difference is. Now I give an assignment today, no? Right. In that assignment, how many objects will come? 4 objects will come. 1 employee, 1 contact, 1 salary, 1 address, 1 array also. Understand now? Remove array. 4 objects coming on and now. That 4 objects are linked. If you take inheritance, only 1 object will come. Understand this point? Inheritance means all are accommodated to single object. That is the advantage of inheritance. In real time, we use inheritance and references. Inheritance first priority, second priority references. Wherever inheritance not possible, you have to use references. Tomorrow I'll show that diagram. Just I shown the output today. Oral discussion I done it. Tomorrow JVM architecture will come. After a long time it is coming. Means you must know in inherit very crucial role it plays. Next interview target is inheritance only. Next interview target. More questions are available in inheritance. Method overloading, method overriding, method hiding, super, this, super off, this off, types of inheritances. Why multiple inheritance not available? Command line argument, all questions available in the inheritance only. Maximum questions are available in inheritance chapter. Because of this, student should know. When the extends keyword is there, parent coming on to JVM first, child coming on to JVM first, student should know. And one more, while object creation, which members are getting the memories, you must know. That I'll draw tomorrow. Flow, I will draw it. Understood now? Today already assignment there in your hand. No, I don't want to disturb you. Do that assignment and come. And tomorrow I'll draw 15 to 20 minutes. I'll draw the diagram of today's program, educating how object accommodate members of parent and child. Right? Okay. Take a break bit early today.